Did you know that over 750 million people use Microsoft Excel worldwide? But here's the shocking question. Is this spreadsheet giant about to become obsolete? As new technologies emerge and workplace needs evolve, Excel faces unprecedented competition. From cloud-based collaboration to AI-powered analytics, the tools we use to work with data are rapidly changing. Excel struggles with real-time collaboration, version control nightmares, and performance issues with large datasets. While Excel remains powerful, it wasn't designed for today's mobile-first, cloud-native work environment. Specialized tools now offer superior solutions for specific needs, from data visualization to project management. Google Sheets offers seamless real-time collaboration and cloud accessibility that Excel is still catching up to. Data visualization tools like Tableau and project management platforms like Airtable provide specialized functionality Excel simply can't match. These tools were built mobile-first, making data accessible anywhere, anytime, something Excel has struggled to achieve. But here's why Excel isn't going anywhere. It's deeply integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem that powers most enterprises. Excel's advanced features, from VBA programming to Power Query, offer capabilities that many alternatives still can't replicate. With decades of institutional knowledge and billions invested in Excel training, switching costs remain prohibitively high for most organizations. The future isn't about Excel disappearing. It's about finding the right tool for each specific task in our evolving digital toolkit. What do you think? Will Excel survive the digital revolution, or will it fade into obsolescence? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our video on emerging tech trends.